Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add fonts to Photoshop. So first thing what you will do is simply go to the font. So guys, I recommend this website because this website has a lot of fonts to offer. And from here, as you can see, you will have here multiple options. And if you want to see more, you can just click on this, all the new fonts. And from here, as you can see, you will have various options that you can choose from. So guys, let's say I'm gonna choose for creamy sugary over here. So from here, just click on it, and after that, just go for download. And from here, just simply select the location where you are going to download it. I'm gonna download it on my desktop and click on save. And now from here, just click on this folder. And from here, guys, just simply right click on it and click on extract here. And from here, as you can see, this will be the font file, creamy sugary. So just double click on it. And from here, you should be able to see here, install. And once you have installed it, guys, automatically it will be available on your Photoshop. So let's go ahead and go open up Photoshop over here. So I'm gonna open it up and wait for it to load. And once you are here, just simply select a specific project. And as you can see, I have a text here ready. So from here, as you can see, just simply select the text and you should be able to see here the drop down of the fonts. And from here, just search for sugary. And as you can see, we have here our text that we just downloaded, the creamy, sugary, and from there you'll be able to add fonts into Photoshop. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!